morning, guys. Today is a new day. Do not mind the setting powder on my face. It's what? It's 10 o'clock though. I finally slept in this morning, which was great. But I'm out early on the road. I took the day today because I just wanted to try to finish up last minute Christmas shopping, and when I come home, my intention is to put up the Christmas tree finally. But I was rushing because B.
Yeah. What about?
That's your cue to be like, good morning, what's up, guys?
Yeah, good morning, guys. Me, I drive.
Anyway, oh no, yeah, I drive, whatever. So he got up early because he's following my stepdad to go drop off his car at the shop, and then B without driving back home. But I'm like, the mall that I want to go to and the car shop is like about 10 minutes away, so I was like, it don't make no sense for him to come all the way back and then we're gonna leave out and go. So I just hurried up and make one go to left out with them. And like, guys, I've been trying to wear makeup a lot lately because I have it, and when I go somewhere, I at least put that on my face. But I couldn't really do what I wanted to do because I wanted to do eyeshadow and stuff. So with the time constraints that I had to hurry up and do a quick little natural glam. Not really natural enough, but something that don't make me look so bare. So I'm about to finish in the car, put on some lashes. Guys, look at Samari. I don't even know if you guys can see him, but Samari got with my stepdad driving. So yeah, I'm gonna finish my makeup in the car, and then I'll see you guys at the mall. Alright guys, I'm looking at Macy's.
Not fierce.
And I'm trying to look a jacket for someone. I'm gonna need one jacket for myself too. But B is no help at all. He's just on his freaking phone watching damn football, or soccer I should say. Ooh, this sweatsuit there look nice. Calvin Klein. Be like this. Not me. May I buy for people, but I must pick up something for me themselves too. Oh, that look nice.
Yeah, I color kind of new, Dolly.
What color? The gray or the?
This one.
Yeah, the green, nice.
This one. This one nice too. So I don't know how much I
Alright guys, so and Macy's trying on a jacket. I need one. We do want black, but they didn't have no size for me in it. So I'm gonna get this brown one. Banana brown jacket anyways, and every time I just black. It's Michael, of course. So what you said, B? Get it?
Yeah.
They look nice.
Why not?
And they're on sale for 55% off the original price. So it's a good little deal. And look at Samari just in a damn phone. Samari, you not say hi to the vlog? Samari, you not say hi?
Hello guys.
That's it. Alright. I feel good. I'm getting so many people out of the way to be here and stuff. Let's see. I want to find something for Samari. We left him upstairs with my stepdad, so he doesn't have any idea what we're getting him. Got the Chick-fil-A. Guys, we're just coming from the mall and I'm so tired. We had Chick-fil-A on our way back. And now because I didn't really get to sleep in that much because I told you guys I left earlier. The sleep I come up on me. So I think I'm gonna take a little nap first, and then when I wake up, try to get the Christmas tree situated. So yeah, that's what I'm about to do. Take me a nice little nappy nap, and then go deal with that Christmas tree. So yeah. Alright guys, so I finally woke up. I took a freaking, what was it, 3 hours, B? You was asleep for?
Well, yeah.
I didn't sleep for no damn whole day. But 3 or 4 hours, guys, I slept for. So B just went in the garage to grab the Christmas tree for me. See ya. So I'm about to put that up and get that situated. Samari! Turn off your TV and come downstairs and come put up your tree. Turn off your TV upstairs, leave the phone, and come put up the tree.
No.
What do you mean no? Then you ain't getting no Christmas presents.
Oh, hell no.
Excuse you? You don't even? Oh, hell no. Like my damn mind. So yeah, I'm about to do that now. Guys, a tree put up. I can't get the rest of the lights connected. The electrician here is supposed to do it, but he too busy watching freaking football.
Damn football!
And these are the only damn decorations I found. I don't know where all of them went. So either we're gonna have to find some more or we're gonna have to get some more. The theme was always like silver and blue. Last year the Christmas tree didn't put up because I wasn't here and they come like if minute there and the Christmas tree didn't go up. I was in Jamaica.
Bro, just give me that card.
So yeah, I don't know where all the damn decorations went. But I did some work with so far. Yeah. We just cooked up on pork shoulder for Sunday dinner tomorrow. Y'all go season the beef? Why not?
I'm not on the quickness set for me.
You can't cook nothing.
Bro, I have a cool card.
B, you can't cook?
Me? People that tell people they can't, people do make this.
You not blend more season? B, this so small rub up on some powder season.
Yo, excuse.
Some more.
You don't want a powder season and people eat too much. Excuse.
Let me excuse. Let me see. B, this is. B, you didn't even drain it out properly.
Yo, leave me something drain.
So, Mr. Lassie sitting.
Kayla, just relax, man.
And the boy, I blend up more damn season.
Listen, I'm telling some Mikayla push.
Alright. So just cookie tomorrow. Don't make granny cookie, yeah? Samora, don't make granny cookie, yeah? Guys, look at this. B, tell me if it's season up a damn pork feed. And look, it's too much damn blend up season. Like, look at this. Like, hold it. No, so it probably still like good taste, like, season, but no, it's too damn much. Like, and then brown if you go on it and sitting. Jesus Christ. Like, look at all of this. Like, all of this could I see it? You see all of this? This could I see it for season of something else. My family added some season to it. And B, I crush up some pimento seed.
Yo, you see there's something there?
What?
Tell us something.
Tell the vlog what?
No.
Tell the vlog there?
For that season.
Eh.
I know something more good for them.
Eh.
Actually.
No, make meat taste good.
What make meat taste good?
Come dash a pimento seed and I sit in some can something there. Guys, this is who just left me downstairs. B, you just been mango stuff.
Go.
No upstairs.
Go watch how much.
Come watch how much you couldn't watch it downstairs in the living room. Why not?
How come it live?
Alright guys, well, I finished eating. I did what I could do on the Christmas tree, but I'm not ready to show you.
She didn't do anything on the Christmas tree. She just put it up.
So that's sitting there.
What?
And some of the decorations that I did.
Where do, Kayla, talk here. I'm going to go for the Christmas tree. Put up the Christmas tree. What else I do?
No, keep talking. And you connect it like that for me, putting tree, right?
I'm gonna connect it like them.
I added the garland that I could find on it.
Yeah,
and then
that's
I
like
hung up,
6.
And then I hung up like some of the ornaments that were in the box that I found.
That's like 5 or 3.
What, stuff them into?
Yeah.
Anyways. I'm not gonna show you guys that yet because it's not completely finished. They have to go look for the rest of the decorations, or if not, probably Monday evening or Tuesday. But you blocking my face. I would have to get more decorations and something there. So, I was trying to do like this whole VLOGMAS thing, like trying to upload every day. Obviously, they're not gonna work out because guys, I work 12-hour shifts on the weekend. Today's Saturday, and I have to go to work tomorrow. So, I'm gonna try and see what I can edit to see if I can leave it to upload for tonight/tomorrow. We'll see how that goes. If not, then we'll probably not gonna see a video until Monday, dear, which is the 4th. December 4th. But yeah. I'm trying with this whole vlogging thing. Like I said, my life is like boring, not really going or whatever. But a lot of people have been saying that like they want to see vlogs. So yeah. Yo, I feel like look, lashes have a buzz on me, don't?
I don't know.
Maybe you don't know. Do I look better with the lashes or without? Eh?
No.
You don't like them? Guys, me love your lashes. So till. But yeah, anyways, I'm gonna try to see what I can edit tonight before I have to go to sleep to wake up on morning. So I hope you guys enjoy this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye. Guys, you're rough. It's Sunday. I just came in from work. It's like almost 7 o'clock now. I'm so tired, I swear. You guys will barely be getting any footage on the weekends because I work 12 hours and like by the time I come in, there's really nothing for me to do or like for me to vlog. That's interesting. Like I come in, I eat, and I go to bed. Like that's it. Okay. So yeah, I'm gonna go and try and edit the video from yesterday to see if I can get it uploaded for tonight / in the morning, and then eat my food and then go to bed.